Hey guys, if you're tuning in, tonight we're going over problem D on page 2 of your homework. So today we started drawing an area model with two fractions that are greater than 1. So in tonight's example, our fractions are 9/8 and 3/2, and we know that they're greater than 1 because our numerator is larger than our denominator. Okay, so let's read our word problem. It says the dimensions of the dollhouse artwork are 9/8 inches by 3/2 inches. What is the area of the artwork? So we know when we're looking for the area, we're going to be multiplying. So this is 9/8 times 3/2. Okay, so now we need to actually start drawing our area model. So let's focus in on 9/8 first. So I'm going to write 9/8 right here. I need to think about how many holes would I need to show 9/8. Well, 8/8 is equal to 1 hole. This is going to be a little more than 1 hole, so we're going to need 2. So I'm going to draw 2 holes right there. Okay? Now I'm going to think about 3/2. So again, 2/2 is equal to 1 hole, and 3/2 is a little more than 1 hole, so we are going to need 2 holes to show that as well. So I'm going to extend our hole and put another hole over here. Okay, so now I'm going to partition. So the denominator tells us how many pieces we're partitioning our hole into. So this way we're going to be partitioning our holes into 8ths. So let's do that. So let's change the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, we might run out of space. 6 and 7. It's kind of squished in there, but let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're kind of squishing it in there. So, but we need to partition each of our holes into 8ths. So this one's into 8ths, this is 8ths, this is 8ths, and this is 8ths. Okay, so now we're going to partition our holes into half. It's going to be a little bit easier. And we're going to partition them into half this way. Okay? So now the shading. So now we're going to shade 9 squares. 9 squares going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 3 this way. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget we need to shade all of this too. Okay. So once you've done that, you're going to count and see how many pieces you shaded. That's going to be your numerator. And your denominator is going to be how many pieces did you partition one hole into. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too bad. We're going to continue to go over this tomorrow. And if you're listening for the code word is taco.